Bureau Veritas and Flyability are working together to advance the use of drone-based inspection technologies in the maritime industry. By combining Flyability's cutting-edge Helios 3UT drone technology with BV's classification and inspection expertise, we are helping ship owners perform safer, more efficient and data-driven inspections of combined, hard-to-access spaces on board vessels.
The Helios 3UT has demonstrated a very strong performance during our evaluations and field deployment. The drone offers excellent maneuverability in confined spaces and delivers reliable visual and ultrasonic data that can support class-approved inspections when used under the appropriate conditions and procedures.
Bureau Veritas was an early believer in our technology, and since then we have partnered together to generate more value for their marine customers by enabling safer access to confined spaces and deliver reliable, high-quality inspection data.